How to change YouTube channel password on mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the YouTube channel password, what you can simply do is launch your YouTube application on your device. So make sure that you have logged into your account and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the gear icon over here, and then what you need to simply do over here is you can just go back and then tap on Google account. As you tap on Google account, it will lead you to a new page over here where you can see your Google account settings. So just swipe it and tap on security. As you tap on security, all you need to do is just scroll down, and here you can see the option of the password over here. So just here you can see the option of password. So tap on password, and as you tap on password, it will give you this access over here. So you just have to verify first of all that it's you by entering your passkey, and then after entering your passkey, it will land you to a new password section over here. You just have to mention new password and confirm the new password, and you'll be able to change the password over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.